guys, this is how supercars are parked over here openly near to Central Park, just for public. Seems to be private, but I think this is parking point for supercars only, I believe. Old models, but pretty precious. Don't know who's the owner. There's no one to gate the entry. You'll find all old models here. This is Volvo, Chevrolet, Dodge, or BMW. I think these are not in use, but just parked over here because of fitness. I believe that could be also be one reason. Cars in Maldives. Supercars. हाय करो, हाय करो।
बाय।
मालदीव्स में कार देख रहे हो, हैंड नहीं लगाना है। हाय।